Hi everyone, welcome to Foodie Vibes. Today we are making the famous Zinger Burger recipe. First we will proceed with the marination of our chicken. In a bowl, combine all the liquid ingredients. 2 tablespoons of oil, 80 ml of yogurt, 1/8 cup of soft or melted butter, 1/8 cup ginger and garlic paste. Mix well, then add all the dry ingredients. 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Give a mix again. Then we'll add the chicken pieces and mix well. We'll now let the chicken marinate for 6 hours or more. We will now prepare the liquid coating mixture for frying. Half cup of flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, some pepper, some chili powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and mix well. Then we'll add around 3/4 cup of cold milk. We will not add all at the same time but little by little until we get a batter like this. We will take one piece, dip in the liquid mixture and coat in flour only. Fry them for around 6 minutes each side on medium flame. Here you can see the zinger is completely cooked. We'll take a toaster bun, apply green chili sauce, ketchup, the chicken, mayonnaise, a leaf of fresh lettuce, 1 cheese slice and cover the bun. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Keep liking and subscribe. Bye bye.